Okay guys, Pad Krapao Moo Krob, crispy pork belly and holy basil leaves. Absolutely awesome, bursting in flavour, simple to make, and we're going to make it a quick way. We're going to get some belly pork and we're going to fry it in oil until it crisps it up. So we're going to fry it but turn it over on all sides until it crisps up. Now this is an absolutely simple dish to make, very quick. Bursting with flavour. Now I do realise that in some areas of the world you cannot get holy basil leaves, which is a real shame. So don't forget, turn our belly pork up on its edge, make sure we actually cook the fat end. So as soon as our belly pork is actually cooked, then nice and brown, crispy top, take out. And then we need to slice our belly pork. Now you can slice it as thick or as thin as you like, but a decent slice, about a centimetre thick, would be nice. Pan on, medium heat, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then in with our garlic and in with our chilli. Obviously you can use as much chilli as you like. Now this is a quick stir fry, no colour, just aroma. So as soon as we get that fantastic aroma coming off the garlic and chilli, in with our pork. Now this is a very quick stir fry, very quick indeed, and very simple. So don't forget our pork is already cooked, so we don't even have to cook our pork for any length of time. All we need to do is get it in there, get some flavour on it, turn it over a couple of times, and then we need to go in with our Pad Krapao sauce, flavouring. Okay, so what we need to do then, obviously moderate the heat, we don't want the garlic to burn. What we need to do is go in there with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, now don't worry about it being too dry. You know there's still fats coming out of this pork belly, so it will be okay. Now we need to add just a drizzle of dark soy sauce. It's there for colour only and nothing else, because Pad Krapao is normally a little bit dark. Okay, give it a good stir through, mix it all up. Now don't forget, this is already cooked, so we don't have to spend too long in actually cooking anything. In with half a tablespoon of sugar, give it a good stir through so it's all incorporated, and then in with our holy basil leaves, our Krapao leaves. Now we chuck the leaves in there, give it a good stir through, turn it over, and then turn off the heat. We do not want to be cooking this for any length of time. It will actually cook in the residual heat. So that's basically our Pad Krapao Moo Krob made. Now if you like what we're doing, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe and share with your friends. All we have to do now is serve it up. So serve it up with some boiled rice, dig in and enjoy.